Hey everyone, Noah with North Carolina Trailer Sales. I'm at our Thomasville location today. I just want to come out here and show you one of the utility trailers we just got set up for a customer. This is going to be your 70 TV model made by Big Tex Trailers. It's going to come with your adjustable Easy Latch Demco coupler, breakaway kit 7-way connector, safety chains, and your 2,000-pound jack. The 70 TV has your metal sides, comes standard with spare tire mount, as well as stake pockets in the corners. This is a tandem axle 16-foot, so you get two 3,500-pound braking axles with your easy grease fitting for a combined rating of 7,000 pounds. This customer got a trimmer rack installed, a trimmer line spool bracket, a gas can holder. On the far side, he got a vertical tool holder, as well as two blower pack holders. We did stain this trailer, which we can do on any trailer. It does have your spring-assisted 4-foot gate with your extra supports in the middle. And you do have your LED rubber-mounted lighting all the way around this trailer.